What is your ego's primary job? It is to keep you alive. It is to protect you. So what is your ego's primary job? To keep you alive or protect you. Did you know that 90 to 95% of your thoughts are the same thoughts day after day? Imagine that we are in a helicopter over South America and the helicopter goes down. So now we're in a survival situation. We have to find water. We have to find food. We find a place to sleep. Pretty soon we have a pathway on the jungle and the pathway keeps us safe. This is called the path of least resistance. And when we wake up, our brain does the same thing. We wake up and we start thinking the same thoughts. 90 to 95% of our thoughts are the same thoughts day after day after day after day. So this represents your ego, and the ego has a need to be right. What the ego wants is certainty, because certainty means safety. So we drive to work the same way because it brings us certainty. We go to the same restaurant because it brings us certainty. And we have the same emotional habits that brings us certainty. Certainty means safety. Your ego does not like change. In my book, Turning Snowflakes into Diamonds, I talk about adaptability being one of the must. Whenever you learn something new, what you're doing is you're rewiring your brain. But that can cause the brain pain. So the first time you make a neural pathway, that neural pathway is going to be weaker. But then you'd make the neural pathway again, and the neural pathway is going to get stronger. Pretty soon, you've rewired your brain, and this is called neuroplasticity or brain plasticity. A flexible brain will survive longer than a rigid brain. An open mind will survive longer than a closed mind. And when you understand that your ego resists change, that's half the battle, because awareness is the first key to change. Once you're aware of something, we're shining the light of awareness that your ego does not like change. So what you learn to do is accept change. Say, I accept change with me if you dare. I accept change. Say it again. I accept change. Because either you're accepting it or you're resisting it. And when you resist it, it makes change harder. If you want to make change easier, simply accept it. I accept change. Acceptance is a skill for you to master. You are a diamond.